The expected return of former representative turned fugitive Zaldico to the country sparked several lawmakers' call for accountability in flood control corruption, even though a possible asylum application may delay this. Vel Custodio has the full details in this report.
Following the update from President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. on the return process of former representative turned fugitive Zaldico, several lawmakers are hoping that Co and other individuals involved in alleged anomalies in flood control projects will finally be accountable once he returned to the country.
Yung pong kanyang pag-uwi ay magbibigay sa kanya po ng pagkakataon na makapagbigay ng dagdag na impormasyon sa mga usapin po relating to flood control corruption sa iba't ibang bahagi ng bansa.
Matagalan natin gustong makauwi si Congressman Zaldi dahil mabibigat yung mga akusasyon niya. And I think no average-minded Filipino would ever take him seriously if he would not subject these allegations of his to a proper documentation, meaning it has to be sworn by him na totoo yung sinasabi niya para at least may pagkakataon din na ma-cross-examine, ma-double check yung kung veracity ng kanyang claim.
But according to Bicol Saro Party List Representative Terry Ridon, the possibility remains that Co may apply for asylum, which could delay his deportation process.
Kailangan ho talaga magkaroon ng paglilinaw kung kailan at papaano ho ba siya makakauwi, lalo't higit. Siyempre, yung pong mga asylum proceedings ay isa ho doon sa mga option din po na natitira para sa kanya para ho hindi rin ho makauwi sa pinakamaagang panahon.
Meanwhile, although the name of Lanao del Sur 1st District Representative Zia Alonto Adyong appeared on the list of 18 ex-Marines allegedly involved in cash payoffs, Adyong remains confident that once Co returns in the country, the truth will prevail, insisting that he did not receive a single cent.
Ako naniniwala ako pagkat nasa katotohanan ako, ang aking sinasabi ay totoo, that I unequivocally and categorically deny kung ano yung mga sinabi ng ng mga 18 Marines. Ang natatakot yung mga taong gumagawa-gawa ng rason technical at hindi harapin yung mga akusasyon na hindi sila makapagbigay ng square answer to these allegations.
Vel Custodio for the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.